25 is not looking glorious.
It would start with every member of parliament taking their role seriously as somebody who checks up on the government, on the governmental action. It's not a political question to analyze the budget. It's not a political question to put a question mark behind certain expenses.
It's a parliamentary question.
I think it's a role of parliament is to keep government in check and not follow blindly a government simply because you're in the party that is currently in government or not. And there are other countries where parliaments are much stronger than ours. You see, the British system is a very good example where individual MPs are much more focused on keeping the government accountable than in Luxembourg. The budget debates in Luxembourg are a farce. We present the budget, we have a nice speech, the finance minister gives a nice speech, and then we debate in total for 8 hours.